Hey there! My next book I got is called Harry the Dirty Dog, written by Jean Zion, pictures by Margaret Bloy Graham. So, now why do you think he's called a dirty dog? Is it 'cause that he's dirty? Or maybe he's just kind of mean? I don't know if he's mean, but let's see and find out, right? Oh, look. Harry the Dirty Dog. Looks like he's getting a scrub brush there out of a bathtub. Look, here's another title page, also saying Harry the Dirty Dog, and look what he's doing. He's running off with that scrub brush. That silly dog. Now, why do you think he's running off with that scrub brush? Let's see and find out. Harry was a white dog with black spots who liked everything except getting a bath. So that's probably why he's running off with a scrub brush, huh? So one day, when he heard the water running in the tub, he took the scrubbing brush and buried it in the backyard. Then he ran away from home. He probably shouldn't be running away from home, should he? And he probably shouldn't have buried the scrubbing brush either. He played where they were fixing the street, and got very dirty. Oh my goodness. Harry is just being silly, isn't he? He played at the railroad and got even dirtier. Goodness gracious. He played tag with other dogs and became dirtier still. He slid down a coal chute and got the dirtiest of all. In fact, he changed from a white dog with black spots to a black dog with white spots. Oh my goodness. There he is right there getting down the coal chute. He doesn't even look like the same dog anymore, does he? Oh my goodness. Although there were many other things to do, Harry began to wonder if his family thought that he had really run away. He felt tired and hungry too, so without stopping on the way, he ran back home. Do you think his family's going to recognize him looking like that? They're probably not going to recognize him. When Harry got to his house, he crawled through the fence and sat looking at the back door. One of the family looked out and said, "There's a strange dog in the backyard. But why, by the way, has anyone seen Harry?" Oh no. They don't recognize that's Harry. What do you think he's gonna do? Let's see. When Harry heard this, he tried very hard to show them that he was Harry. He started to do his old clever tricks. He flip-flopped and he flop-flipped. He rolled over and played dead. Do you think they're going to recognize him? He danced and he sang. He did these tricks over and over again. But everyone shook their head and said, "Oh no, it couldn't be Harry." Oh no, poor Harry. Harry gave up and walked slowly toward the gate. But suddenly he stopped. He ran to the corner of the garden and started to dig furiously. Soon he jumped away from the hole, barking short, happy barks. What did he dig up, guys? Do y'all remember what he buried earlier? Y'all don't. Let's see. He found the scrubbing brush, and carrying it in his mouth, he ran into the house. Up the stairs he dashed, with the family following close behind. What do you think he's going to do with that scrubbing brush, guys? He jumped into the bathtub and sat up begging with the scrubbing brush in his mouth, a trick he certainly had never done before. "This little doggy wants a bath," cried the little girl, and her father said, Why don't you and your brother give him one?" Harry's bath was the soapiest one he'd ever had. It worked like magic. As soon as the children started to scrub, they began shouting, "Mommy, Daddy, look, come quick!" "It's Harry, it's Harry, it's Harry," they cried. Harry wagged his tail and was very, very happy. His family combed and brushed him lovingly, and he became once again a white dog with black spots. It was wonderful to be home. After dinner, Harry fell asleep in his favorite place, happily dreaming of how much fun it had been getting dirty. He slept so soundly he didn't even feel the scrubbing brush. He'd hidden under his pillow. Look, there's the scrubbing brush right there, sticking out from his pillow. I guess he likes his baths now, doesn't he? All right, well, that was a sweet little story, wasn't it? I'm so glad Harry was managed to show his family that he was really Harry, right? Anyways, I hope that y'all are having a wonderful day. I send my love to y'all. Remember the class rules. Love yourself and love others. Bye-bye.